but King Arthur, it's complicated because King Arthur is both of their best friend. So
But
they've
she's married
decided
to yeah.
Guinevere is married to King Arthur, and Lancelot's his best friend. So they've decided that he has to leave. And this is his response to Guinevere.
Cool. Oh God, I'm gonna cry.
I cried last time.
If ever I would leave you, it wouldn't be in summer. Seeing you in summer, I never would go. Your hair streaked with sunlight, your lips red as flame, your face has a luster that puts gold to shame. But if I'd ever leave you, how could it be in autumn? Seeing you in autumn, I never would go. I've seen how you sparkle when fall nips the air. I know you in autumn, and I must be there. But could I leave you, jaunting merrily through the snow, or on a wintry evening when you catch the fire's glow? If ever I would leave you, how could it be in springtime, knowing how in spring I'm bewitched by you so? Oh no, not in springtime, summer, winter, or fall. No, never could I leave you at all.